Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block an email address in Outlook 2007 on Windows 7. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders so you can see your complete inbox. Now that your emails have loaded, let's get into blocking that unwanted sender. Direct your attention to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is typically on the left side of your screen and shows your folder structure along with all the messages in your current view. From here, locate the email from the sender you want to block. You can find this email either in your inbox or any other folder where their messages might be stored. Once you've found the email, simply click on it to select it. This highlights the email and prepares it for the next action. Next, right-click directly on that selected email. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your emails. From this menu, hover your cursor over the option labeled Junk. When you hover over it, you'll notice that additional options appear in a submenu. This submenu contains various tools for managing unwanted emails and spam. From the list of options that appears, simply click on Block Sender. This action immediately adds that email address to your blocked senders list. What this means is that any future emails from this address will automatically be filtered out and won't appear in your inbox anymore. Outlook will now treat all messages from this sender as junk mail, keeping your inbox cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've successfully blocked an email address in Outlook 2007 and you won't be bothered by messages from that sender anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.